are we at, Liam?
The zoo.
Where are we gonna go see?
Birdies.
Rarities.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
All right, let's go see.
It's red.
Climb up, climb up. Oh,
there he goes. You got him.
Let's see.
Sure, Daddy. Nice.
Whoa. What do you think? Look at this one today. I think they're hungry today, Liam.
Let's go! See the goats! Run, run!
I'll reach you.
It's the goats. They're a little bit stinky. It's okay.
Come on, let's go.
In here, babe. Come on, Lee. Let's do it.
You want to get a brush? I'll get you a brush, okay? Stay here.
Andrew, then this way.
Where are you going to go, babe? All right, let's go see if we can find one. Let's go see if we can find one that we can brush.
Got you a brush. Okay. There's a guy right here if you want. Right there.
I'm right here, babe. Give him a brush. Nice. What about this guy here? What about that guy right there?
This guy.
See if maybe he wants to be brushed. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can brush his back. Nice. All right, should we go find another one?
Yeah.
All right, go find another one, babe.
Give him some chicken.
Yeah.
Maybe this guy right there.
How about over here?
Oh, he needs a good brush.
Right by his face. Let's do his back. His back. Come closer.
Nice.
Here, want some help? Here, come here. Here.
There we
He
go.
likes that.
Hello.
Careful, not by his face.
Say hi. It's okay. You can say hi, don't. You can give him a pet too, Lee, if you want.
You give him a pat on his back?
Give him a pet on his back. Nice. No, he's not scary. Yeah. Oh, I think he's tired. Look, he's closing his eyes.
He's just eating it.
What do you think his name is? You don't know?
Careful. You want to try to do more brush or try to put it away?
Do some more brush on his back. Nice.
Say bye. Should we go see the reindeer?
All right.
Bye. Come on, let's go see the reindeer. Oh, there we go. It's working.
There it goes, there it goes. Get one, get one. Woo-hoo! Run, run, run.
Go through, run away. All the way through, all the way
Yay!
through. Come on, one more time.
Go, go, go.
Go back to mommy. Run.
Hurry, run.
All right, let's go see the reindeer. That's enough. Come here. Let's go see the reindeer.
Too cold?
A giant sloth. There he is.
Wow, look at the reindeer, Lee. They're eating. Look at his antlers. You think he's getting ready for Christmas? Is he gonna bring Santa Claus to us? And all of our presents?
He's got to eat to get his strength up. He's got a long journey, doesn't he? Yeah. Okay.
Is that an emo?
Their bodies are too heavy, right? Even though it's a bird with feathers.
He's big.
He's big.
Look at that.
She said he's not very smart.
Yeah, we've seen him before, huh?
It's an emu?
Cool.
Is this an emu?
Huh? I don't know. Maybe the wallabies are in there. Should we go look?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Good.
You see him?
Mommy, let's go, Mommy.
Cute monkey.
Good, Daddy.
Let's go.
Daddy, go.
He's coming.
Huh?
Baby, stinky.
Is it gonna be stinky? I think so. Monkeys and gorillas are a little bit stinky. Let's see.
We gotta get up so we can see him.
Do you see him, Larry? Over there? Let's see if we can see more over here. See if you go down.
Come right there.
Do you see him over there? Over there? Come on, Dean.
What do you think I caught it with?
Lee, what's that? A red panda. Whoa.
What do you think he's doing?
Cool, right? He's laying down.
Close his eyes. I think his eyes are open. He's looking right at you.
Do you think he's tired? Is it nap time?
Huh? Here. I got this guy. They're over here. I think they're just sleeping.
Taking a nap.
Are they Terry and Perry? Okay. Terry and Perry? Okay.
Mama!
He's like a baby one.
How big's your house?
He's little.
1,500 square feet or under?